In this video, I want to show you how you can tell if your car is out of alignment. There's several different methods that you can use. And the last one is one of my favorites. It's basically the singing, humming method to tell if it's out of alignment. So I'm driving right now on an interstate, and you want to be going at least 50 miles an hour, 50 or 60 miles to really be able to tell. And this is the interstate, but it could be a state road or whatever. So interstates are naturally sloped into the shape of a V, and the point would be like in the center, like this. And the reason is because you want rain to roll off the interstate, and so that's the reason it's naturally slanted. So if I let go of my steering wheel, it's going to be natural for it to stay straight for a little while, but if I'm on the right side, it would be natural for it to start to drift slowly to my right if I'm on the right side of the road. And then vice versa on the left side, if I let go of my steering wheel, it'd be natural for it to slant a little, start to go off and drift to the left. But now if it's drastic, if I hold on and then I let go, see right now it's staying straight, which is fine. But if you see that it's going like really off to the left or the right, because you know if it's starting to steer, if I'm on the right lane and it starts going to the right, to the left, you know it's severely out of alignment. So right now my car is not too bad out of alignment. All right, that's one way to tell. Another way is to check your tires. Look at your left and the right tires. If you see uneven wear on one tire, like the front left tire is more worn out than the right, and they're both at the same age tire, then you know that they're out of alignment. So that's one way to tell. Another way is to put your hand on the steering wheel, and if the steering wheel or off is vibrating, you can feel it like just vibrating like this. You can actually hear it. Then that's another way that you can tell that your car is out of alignment. And the final one that I told you is the humming method or the singing method. So you can hum and go at a steady pace, and if your voice starts to vibrate, you could do it, or someone in the car can do it, then you know that it's out of alignment. So if I go, and then and then I do it naturally, and you can start hearing like a break in my voice, like kind of like when you're blowing into a fan, then you know it's out of alignment, because what's happening is your body is vibrating and it's changing your voice. Same thing, you could do a song, but it's got to be like one or two notes. So if I do, and then if it starts going, and you can actually hear it a little bit in mine, then you know that your car is slightly out of alignment. And I think mine is a little bit out of alignment. So what that means is you got two axles, two frame axles, one in the front, one in the back, and they're metal frames. So what they do to align it with the tires, the frame has got to be in line with the tires. So what they do is they put it on a little rack, a machine, and they computerize it, and they'll use a computer to make it perfectly aligned with the tires, aligned with the frame. And it's usually, to do an alignment, it's about $30 to $50. And if you haven't rotated your tires in a while, it's good to rotate your tires, that way that they get even wear, because the front tires will get more wear usually than the back. All right, so that's how you can tell if your car is out of alignment. Thanks for watching.